If we're looking at how the manufacturing world is changing, it is quickly being more and more digitalized, enabled by new technology like cloud, connected shops, and of course, artificial intelligence. We see from customer service that more than 80% have the intention to be significantly automate their workshops by 2030, moving from today having fairly manual processes to having highly automated processes by 2030. And with the acceleration of implementing AI in new technology, software as well as hardware, we will for sure see that they will succeed. Hi, my name is Mattias Nilsson and I'm the President of Business Area Intelligent Manufacturing at Sandvik. With our new innovation hub here in India, we have a great opportunity to not only develop the latest technologies and software for the manufacturing industry in the world and developing this out of our innovation hub here in India. We will also, of course, make sure that we are supporting our customers here in India on their journey to automate and become more productive and support their export industry. That means we intend to employ 400 people in this center in the next coming years and have an ambition to significantly grow our presence and also our business with about 4 to 5 times. So we see this as a great opportunity to take a benefit from all the talent we find here in India with a lot of skilled engineers and people that can really benefit from being part of a global company like Sandvik and having access to the rest of the world as well. And having different businesses coming together from different domains where we can learn from each other, we can develop, and we can share technologies.
When we talk about manufacturing, it's getting more and more complex. At the same time, there are delivery pressures and the cost pressures. That's where the importance of all the different tools, processes, hardware, software, they all have to work together to create a meaningful value throughout the value chain. And intelligent manufacturing has a portfolio that can help all our customers to kind of convert from design to spindle and from spindle to out the entire manufacturing life cycle and convert into an intelligent manufacturing value chain.
Sandvik is a large industrial group stemming out of Sweden with businesses across the world and having had presence in India since decades. Our mission from Sandvik is to simplify manufacturing for our customers, offering software solutions that are easy to use, easy to buy, easy to deploy, and also easy to query so that you can interact with your software and increase the level of automation while using them. Looking at India as a market, we have had presence since decades with our cutting tool offering, but also recently with our software offerings from CAD, CAM, and 3D metrology. We see a lot of investments going into the manufacturing industry, and we have in the latest years seen high degree of automation and technological advancements that is impressive. We want to be part of that journey. We want to enable that journey.